Tension erupted in Kotadwar, Uttarakhand, following protest by Bajrang Dal activists over a shop named Baba, leading to clashes and police action. The agitation began after the outfit objected to the shop's name, claiming it could be mistaken for Siddhbali Baba, a prominent Hanuman temple. Shop owner Mohammed Shawub denied any intent to hurt religious sentiment and agreed to change the name after shifting the shop. Despite relocating the shop around 30 to 40 meters away, protests continued. The situation escalated on January 20th with clashes between protesters and people linked to the shop owner. Tension further rose on January 31st after Gorakshadal state head Naresh Unyal demanded the arrest of gym owner Deepak Kumar. Deepak Kumar, who claimed he intervened to protect elderly shop helper Wakil Ahmad during the unrest, alleged that his identity was falsely portrayed as Mohammad Deepak Kumar to communalize the issue. He maintained that the area had enjoyed communal harmony before the controversy. Police registered 3 cases, one against protesters for disturbing communal harmony, another on Wakil Ahmad complaint of abuse, on the third based on complaint accusing Deepak Kumar of using derogatory language. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi later praised Deepak Kumar for prompting communal harmony. Police have stepped up security, urged calm, and said investigations are ongoing, warning of strict action against anyone disturbing the peace.